How to fix Pluxee account login not working. If you're facing the issue where you're unable to log into Pluxee account, this is the right video for you. So there might be a few reasons why you're not able to log in. The first one being your internet connection. You just have to make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. So check if your Wi-Fi network is working, or if you are on cellular data, you can try to switch to that as well. So turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data. And then from here, you can just go ahead and head over here to log in. But if it's still not working, if you're on mobile data, you can switch back to Wi-Fi. So let me just go ahead and turn it off and turn on Wi-Fi. Then after you've done that, just open up the app and try to log in again. But if it's still not working, head over to your settings menu, scroll down until you find your app settings. Now from here, find Pluxee. And once you search for it, head over to its storage and then click on cleared cache. Now once you've done that, you can also try to head over to permissions to allow all of its permissions. Then you can head over to battery usage and then make sure it's on optimized or unrestricted. The final step is to force stop the app. Try to force stop it, and if anything is running on the background, it will be stopped completely and you can try to log in again. After doing all of this, you should be able to log into your Pluxee account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.